It's like 33 Celsius out here.
So we are going to CORRAL.
CORRAL.
So his parents are taking us for lunch. Is it lunch or dinner?
It's probably kind of Dinner.
So see you there. It's my first time also.
Yeah.
Let's see if makapasar sa iyang taste. Charis. Feeling kay bisan. Wag yung pili mo kaon bisan sa. Golden Coral.
Yes.
There.
Dump this out, but I'll try to save the water back here.
Where's their car?
Thank you. Here, Bobby. Thank you.
Hi.
Don't be. Oh my gosh.
Hi, Mom.
This is very yummy. We got mashed potatoes and gravy. Oh, Brussels sprouts are very good.
Favorite.
There's just two.
Wow.
Chicken.
Oh.
Obvious. Look at my fat like video viewers.
Is David? No, how about
Potato.
oh my caramel because she said I didn't see any. You want this? I'll try. What is that, babe?
This is
Ngayon lang naman. 60 calories yesterday. I'm gonna try.
and then that's chocolate mousse.
Look at how it's in. Mom, you didn't see it. It's good.
It's very good, yeah.
Did that have it? That way?
We'll go around this way.
I told you.
Thank you. Cheers.